Here at Ashgrove Kitchens, we've been handcrafting bespoke kitchens, bedrooms, bathrooms and home studios from our showroom and workshop in Devon for over 25 years. Our success comes from understanding the needs of our clients and taking the time to truly unlock their desires and produce a unique bespoke solution at the very best price possible. We offer a comprehensive range of beautifully crafted cabinetry with stunning finishes, fixtures and the finest quality fittings, ensuring that whatever you choose will last and function beautifully for years to come. All our kitchens are bespoke and manufactured to your specific design. Our experienced designers are on hand to offer advice and inspiration and turn your ideas into a stunning kitchen that meets all your needs today and in the future. Ashgrove Kitchens.